And here is our room at the Disney's Wilderness Lodge. This is our bathroom. Pretty spacious bathroom. You got double sinks, storage, lighted mirror. And then over in a separate area with a door that shuts in between is your toilet room and your shower and tub combo. It's pretty nice and roomy. And then outside of that, you have your coffee station, ice bucket, the little coffee maker. There's all the supplies underneath. I think I show that later. And we got 2 queen-size beds. These are the refurbished rooms. I think we're going back about 5-6 years. They refurbished these rooms. We have not stayed in them since, so this was new to us. Very cool. They took out the rugs, which is always nice. Pretty spacious. I like the backdrop behind the beds with all the trees in it that light up. The beds were super comfortable. And as you can see, this is just a kind of view all around the room. They have these cool light up things in the wall too that looked like stone when you turned on the light. It was kind of like a night light. So that was pretty cool that you could see it from the outside in the bedroom and then in the bathroom also. It kind of went both ways. And here's an overview of the whole room. Excuse our stuff all over the place. And then you always got the little Mickey towel. We're overlooking the pool. Got some chairs here. There's the pool. What do you think? Got little tables here to eat on. Got the dressers. Storage. And I think over here we'll have all of our cups and coffee and creamers and all of our glasses and cups and to-go cups with lids. How cool is that? And then down here, oh boy, ooh. Down there you got the fridge and the little Bambi coffee bar. I love it. And what do we got in here? Oh, we got our safe, a handheld steamer, some more storage, a full thing in here, full closet. So after checking in, we headed on over to the Hoop-de-Doo Revue, which was over at the Wilderness Campground, which is part of the Wilderness Lodge, but it's a whole different section. We had to get in our car, drive on over there, and then once we got there, we thought we could walk to the Hoop-de-Doo Revue. Absolutely not. We had to get on a bus, and it was quite a ride to get back there. So you will have to park your car, get on Disney's transportation, and they will bring you into the campground and into the Hoop-de-Doo Revue. And this is the Tri-Circle D Ranch at Disney's Fort Wilderness Resort. It's a working horse stable that you can visit any day from 10 to 5, and it's free. You get to see the horses that pull Cinderella's castle. You get to see the Headless Horseman horse. It's pretty cool. We hope to do it someday, but they also do pony rides and guided trail rides and horse carriage rides and all that good stuff. So if you're ever at the campground, go check out the Tri-Circle D Ranch because it's pretty cool. And here's the new cabins at the Wilderness Campground. They're definitely kind of modern. They're not like the old log cabins, but they're cute. I think this one's like one that you could go through during the day to take a look at it, but it's closed right now. But very cool. And then when you get one of these cabins, you could get a little golf cart to go with it, and you could drive around on golf carts, and cool little place. Horse-drawn excursions, carriage rides, wagon rides. And here's Pioneer Hall. This is where the Hoop-de-Doo Revue is. This is the first time for us. This is one of the things that I have not ever done at Disney, which is crazy because there's not very many things that I haven't done. And here's another look at the Hoop-de-Doo Revue Hall. It's a very cool place. Lots of theming going on at this campground. If you haven't been there, check it out. It's a lot of fun. Look at all the golf carts lined up ready to cruise on out. More golf carts than baby strollers. It's crazy. Here's the Trails End restaurant. And then down here we have Crockett's Tavern, the Pioneer Hall. Or that might be the quick serve too. Or maybe they have cocktails. Wouldn't that be nice? Oh yeah, beer, wine, and cocktails. Hey! So this is the Enchanted Lemonade over at the Pioneer Tavern. So this stuff on the top, Otto's like, oh, you gotta try it. It's spicy. And I was like, it can't be spicy. It's supposed to be like a sweet drink. I don't know what that is. It says it has hot honey in it. It must be in the form of the dust on the top because holy Lord, he wasn't joking. My mouth is still on fire. And I have the apple moonshine, which is pretty good. It's definitely got a kick. I'd recommend this one over the one. The drink that Otto has is actually good. It's just that stuff on the top is very spicy. Hi, sir. This is the trading post. I'm not quite sure what this is. Okay, so we stay at the lodge, so we don't, this is associated with the Wilderness Lodge, but it's the campgrounds, and we've yet to do this one yet. Oh, it's a gift store. Of course it is. Hi. And after walking around and checking everything out, it's time for us to head over to the Hoop-de-Doo Revue for dinner.
My name is Otto, and I want to welcome all of you here to Pioneer Hall. Thank you, John. And a water. Pioneer Hall.
We were held over the last engagement.
And then our stage boat broke down, and you know how stage
you don't have to be so long-winded, Miss Laura. We got a show to do! We're so crazy, let's sing a song. And then all the words and sing along. Let's raise your roof and sign up for you. And let's have a good time tonight. Let's have a good time tonight.
Present coming to us from New York.
land we're treated for you and me. My land, this land is your land. California to the redwood fire. I don't know the words.
Your son, what do you say?
Like Revue says, I'm living my side can sing twice as loud as your side. What do you say?
Bunch of big mouths.
Look at that. Look at that one. That, babe. And that was the end of the Hoop-de-Doo review for us. We enjoyed it. The food was good. The entertainment was great. It was a good time. And now we're just going to get back on the bus and head on back to the lodge to get some rest. Stay tuned for the rest of the trip. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We love you guys. See you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.